Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we discuss the topic or matter? Yesterday, integrals formulas, explain the integration formulas, properties or some formulas. Okay, today we are going to exercise 7.1. Yesterday I have a small problem to solve. First, exercise 7.1. I have some problem, that's why cut the immediately. First one, find the antiderivative. Find the antiderivative. Antiderivative or integration both are same. So first one, listen carefully. First of all, write down some formulas. We continue the first starting page, starting two pages. Leave the 2 pages because of all formulas. All formulas we can write. So continue the formulas in first page. What is the formula? Integral 1 by x minus a dx is equal to log mod x minus a plus c. Log mod x minus a plus c. So this is the formula 1 by x. Integral 1 by x is equal to log mod x. So another formula 1 by x plus a. 1 by x plus a dx is equal to log mod x plus a plus c. Next, 1 by integral 1 by a minus x dx is equal to, so log mod a minus x plus c by minus 1. By minus 1 means minus. So okay, next integral tan x. Integral tan x dx is equal to what? Log mod secant x plus c. Integral cot x. Integral cot x dx is equal to log mod sin x plus c. Integral secant x dx is equal to log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. Integral cosecant x dx is equal to log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Okay. Next, integral f dash of x. F dash of x. Integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Integral f dash of x by root f of x dx is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. Integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, these are formulas. Okay, write down these formulas, and after next going to 7.1 exercise. The 7.1 exercise it is very easily by the depending on direct formula. What is the formulas? Direct formulas. First, properties. Properties already discussed yesterday. Properties. What is the form of properties? integral, this is integral k into u, k into u dx is equal to k into integral u dx. Okay, integral u plus v dx is equal to integral u dx plus integral v dx. Integral u minus v dx is equal to integral u dx minus integral v dx. This is properties, plus so minus so into. Okay, k, where k is what? K is a constant, u is a function, v is a function, or yeah, k into f of x dx, or f of x plus g of x. So in lower before chapter derivatives chapter, all we did you learn this type of formula. Okay, we did you learn this u plus v, derivative of u into v, derivative of u plus v, derivative of u minus v, derivative of k into this type of you did learn almost. So in integration also this type of formulas I will explain. Okay, these are all formulas. First write down. These formulas are very very important. Don't by hearting the formulas, understanding the formulas, how to how to use in the problems. This is first to see the problem, and after this is which type of formula we have to use. The first decide this is which type of formula, this one. Okay, this one. And next go to exercise 7.1. Yesterday we did discuss the formulas sin ax, sin ax, sin cos x, sin ax, e power ax. What is the integral of e power ax? Integral e power ax equal to e power ax by a. Integral sin ax, this is integral. What is the formula yesterday? Integral sin ax dx is equal to integral sin ax dx is equal to, what is the formula? Okay, integral sin ax is equal to, what is the integral sin x? Integral sin x is equal to minus cos x. So integral sin ax is equal to minus cos ax by derivative, not integration, derivative of ax, derivative of ax. So that is equal to minus cos ax by derivative of ax is equal to a plus c. This is the, Same way, this is sin ax, cos ax, tan ax, e power ax. These are any type of function. The procedure is same. First, we have to do the integration function first. Function, which function? Sin x. Sin x derivative, cos x by derivative of x in the derivative into derivative of x in the integration by derivative of x. Okay, by derivative of x. So first problem sin 2x. First problem integral sin 2x. Integral sin 2x is equal to integral sin 2x, derivative of sin x minus cos x. So minus cos 2x by derivative of 2x d by dx of 2x or directly by 2, anyone. Okay, so minus cos 2x by 2 plus c, minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. Next, second problem, integral cos 3x, integral cos 3x dx. Integral cos 3x dx is equal to, what is the integral of cos x? Integral of cot x is equal to sin x. So sin 3x by derivative of 3x d by dx of 3x. So sin 3x by derivative of 3x, 3 into 1 plus c. Next, third one, integral e power 2x, integral e power 2x dx. Integral e power x is equal to e power x. So integral e power ax, e power ax, here a is equal to 2 by derivative of 2x. So e power 2x by derivative of 2x is equal to 2 plus c. Next, fourth problem, ax plus b whole square, integral ax plus b whole square dx. This is what the ax plus b is taken x, x square, integral x square, integral x power n, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, integral x square, x cube by 3, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into or by d by dx of ax plus b. So that is equal to ax plus b whole 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 3 into derivative of ax plus b is equal to a plus c. Next, fifth one, sin 2x, integral sin 2x minus 4 e power 3x, 4 e power 3x. First of all, this is u minus v, integral of u minus v is equal to integral of u minus integral of v. So e power 3x dx, integral sin 2x, integral sin 2x is equal to integral sin x minus cos x, sin 2x is equal to minus cos 2x by 2 minus 4 into e power 3x by 3. So that is equal to plus c. Okay, this is the fifth problem and this is sixth problem. So sixth problem, integral 4 into e power 3x, integral 4 into e power 3x plus 1 dx. Okay, so separate. First, integral 4 constant separate. So e power 3x dx plus integral dx. So 4 into integral e power 3x. Integral e power 2x is equal to e power 2x by 2. Integral e power 3x is equal to e power 3x by 3 plus integral dx formula, second formula or third formula. Integral dx is equal to x plus c. Integral dx is equal to x plus c. Okay, this one. Simple 1 mark question. So in the first exercise, compulsory 1 mark question. So very simple. First 15-20 formulas are there in first 20. In first 20 we have to perfect, means these all are perfect. First exercise very easy. Okay. Okay, next one. Is it clear? Next one, integral x square into, seventh problem, integral x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. X square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. That is equal to, first simplify. There is no u into v formula. This x square is a polynomial and 1 minus 1 by x square is also second polynomial, into in between into, so u into v. So integral of u into v not defined in starting. Okay, so simplify. This is a polynomial, this is a polynomial. Polynomial into polynomial is also polynomial. So multiply x square into 1 x square minus x square into 1 by x square 1 into dx integral. Here separate integral x square dx minus integral 1 dx. Integral x square. Integral x square is equal to what? X power n formula. Integral x square is equal to x cube by 3, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x cube by 3, integral 1 x plus c compulsory. Next, 8th problem. Integral ax square plus bx plus c dx. So divide u plus v plus w formula. So a into constant separate from the integral x square dx plus b into integral x dx plus c into integral dx. So a into integral of x square form x cube by 3 plus b into integral of x means x power 1 so x power 1 is equal to x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 because integral x power n formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 so x integration x square by 2 plus c into integral dx x plus c. Next, next 2x square plus e power x. Ninth one, integral 2x square plus e power x dx. 2x square plus e power x dx. So separate constant, remove the constant from the integral, separate. So integral x square dx plus integral e power x dx. 2 into integral x square x cube by 3 plus integral e power x is equal to e power x plus c. Next, integral root x plus or minus 1 by root x whole square. Whole square, first simplify, a minus b whole square, integral a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So integral x square root x square equal to x, okay, dx plus integral 1 by root x whole square is equal to 1 by x dx plus 2 to cancel, minus 2 constant separate from the integral 2 dx. So integral x square by 2, integral 1 by x, direct formulas, integral 1 by x log mod x minus integral dx x plus c. Integral x cube plus 5x square minus 4 by x square, x cube plus 5x square minus 4 by x square. First we have to simplify. How to simplify? Divide x cube by x square, x cube, first x cube by x square plus 5x square by x square minus 4 by x square dx, and we have to separate. X cube by x square is equal to x square cancel, 5 dx minus 4 constant, integral 1 by x square dx. Integral x is equal to x square by 2 plus 5 into integral dx x minus 4 into x power integral 1 by x minus 1 by x plus c. So x square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 by x plus c. So integral 1 by x square value, integral 1 by x square is equal to x power minus 2 dx. 1 by x square is equal to x power minus 2 dx. So x power minus 2 is the formula of x power n. X power n formula, x power minus n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1 by minus 1 by x square. This is the procedure. Okay, clear? Next, 12th problem, integral 2x, integral 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x dx, 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x dx. First we have to separate, okay, constant separate from the integral. So first 2 into separate x dx minus 3 constant integral cos x dx plus integral e power x dx. So 2 into integral x square by 2 minus 3 into integral cos x. Integral cos x is equal to sin x plus integral e power x is equal to e power x. Integral 2x square minus 3 sin x plus root x dx. Okay, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 root x. So first we have to separate integral 2x square, 2 into integral x square dx minus 3 into integral sin x dx plus 5 into integral root x means x power 1 by 2 dx. 2 into x square integration x cube by 3 minus 3 into integral sin x. Integral sin x is equal to minus cos x plus 5 into x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by x power n. Integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So 2 into x cube by 3 plus minus into minus plus 3 cos x 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 3 1 by 3 by 2 2 by 3 plus 10 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. Next, integral 14th problem, integral secant x into secant x plus tan x dx. So multiply secant x into secant x secant square x plus secant x into tan x secant x into tan x dx. So integral secant square x, separate the integral secant square x dx plus integral secant x into tan x dx. Integral secant square x is equal to tan x, integral secant x into tan x secant x. Direct formula. Integral secant square x tan x, integral secant x into tan x is equal to secant x. Next, integral secant square x by integral secant square x by cosecant square x dx. So integral secant square x is equal to 1 by cos square x, 1 by cosecant square x is equal to sin square x dx. Okay, reciprocals. Secant square x is 1 by cos square x, 1 by cos square x sin square x. So sin square by cos square tan square x. Integral tan square x formula is there, but tan square x is not there in formula. So tan square x is converted into secant square. Secant square x minus tan square, trigonometry fundamental formula. Secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. So integral secant square x dx minus integral dx. Integral secant square x is equal to tan x, integral x is equal to x plus c. Integral 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx. We have to divide 2 by cos square x, 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x dx, 2 into integral 1 by cos square x dx minus 3 into integral ఈ sin x by cos square x equal cos x into cos x, 1 cos x into another 1 by cos x dx. So 2 into integral secant square x dx minus 3 into integral sin x by cos x is equal to tan x, 1 by cos x is equal to secant x dx. So 2 into secant square, integral secant square x is equal to tan x, integral secant square x is equal to tan x minus integral secant x into tan x or tan x into secant x is equal to secant x plus c. Next, integral x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 dx. So in first two terms common with x square common remaining x minus 1, here plus separate x minus 1 by x minus 1. It totally in the numerator x minus 1 is common, x square plus 1 by x minus 1, x minus x minus 1 cancel. So integral x square plus 1 dx. So integral x square plus 1 is equal to integral x square dx plus integral 1 dx. Integral x square is equal to x cube by 3 plus integral 1 or integral dx is equal to x plus c. Next, next one, integral 1 minus x into root x dx. Integral 1 minus x into root x dx. First we have to multiply with root x. 1 into root x minus x into root x dx. So separate. root x is equal to x power 1 by 2 dx. In x root x is equal to x power 3 by 2 dx. X root x is equal to x power 1 into x power 1 by 2, that is equal to x power 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to x power 3 by 2. This is x root x is equal to x power x power 3 by 2. This is the procedure. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So integral x power 1 by 2 is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus x power same n is equal to 3 by 2 n plus 1 by n plus 1. Formulas, direct formulas. 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2, so 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 5 by 2, 1 by 5 by 2 is equal to 2 by 5 into x power 5 by 2 plus c. Direct x power n formula, x power n, integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, next. X cube plus 3x plus 4, integral x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x dx. So first we have to separate, divide x cube by root x plus 3x by root x plus 4 by root x dx. So x cube by root x, x power 3 minus 1 by 2, 6 5 by 2, x power 5 by 2 dx plus 3 constant x by root x is equal to root x is nothing but 1 by 2 dx plus 4 into 1 by root x is nothing but x power minus 1 by 2 dx. How? X cube procedure, x cube by root x, x cube by root x is equal to x cube by root x means x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2 is equal to x power 3 minus 1 by 2, so x power 3 6 minus 1 5 by 2. What is the formula? A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n, 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. These are fundamental formulas. So x power 5 by 2 is equal to x power n formula, integral of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 integral x power minus 2 plus 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So finally 5 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 2, 1 by 7 by 2 is equal to 2 by 7, x power 7 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2, 1 by 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. So 3 cancel, 2 into x power 3 by 2, 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So 8 x power 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. First exercise completed. Tomorrow I will discuss the next topic, method of integration. How many methods are there in integration? Okay, method of calculation and remaining. You have to continue. So one problem, I will give one problem homework. What is that? 15th one problem homework. This is a homework problem. Integral root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. This is the only one problem homework exercise, and we have to do in example problems own. Okay, this is the homework. Root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 First we have to multiply 3 into x square into root x, 2 into x root x. X square into root x is equal to what? X square into root x is equal to multiply and calculate them. Okay, this is the first exercise. 1 mark completed, 1 mark completed. This is the today all are we have to perfect. We have to perfect. And tomorrow the next one, substitution method. By the substitution, this is up to tomorrow, on tomorrow this is increasing, this is difficulty is increasing. So today small easy, next ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಫ್. But each and every one depending on the formula. Every day practice, we have to practice the formula. Okay, thank you.